Hello guys, today I am going to share with you how to change Instagram account password. Firstly, you will open Instagram account. Then go to profile. After that, click on menu bar. Then click on settings. Then click on security. And finally click on password. Now you will receive an email on this email ID. Click on OK. Now finally I will get a email from Instagram. Open this email. Then click on reset password button. So here you will create new password for your Instagram account. And click on reset password. So finally your Instagram account password has been changed successfully. Thanks for watching.